Babe, see, I'm really sorry about last night. I did not mean any of what I said last night. I was just angry.
You did not mean any of those words that you said.
I did not mean it.
You said everything out of anger.
Yes, babe.
But you know that everything you said really got to me, eh?
I know.
It really pissed me off, eh? You know I love you so much.
Sorry, babe.
I'm doing my best for you. You know I love you so much and I can do anything for you, eh? I want the best for you. Anything you want, I give to you, sharp. No wasting of time. But I don't know, what else are you looking for?
Baby, I just want to let you know. Never let you know. And anytime you call me, I'm ready to come for you. I'm hungry now.
Wait! Are you... Did you pee on your pants?
No, babe, I'm just wet.
You're wet. A boy's voice is making you wet.
No, babe, no.
Oh, you couldn't get wet for me yesterday night.
Jesus!
Don't worry, eh?
Babe,
no problem.
No.
Don't worry. Young man, please, can I see you for a minute? Okay, next time, if you want to sing, they inside your house and sing. Don't come, they sing, they confuse people, get friends. Me, when they give you love, they give you money, they give you everything. You know they wait for me. Now this fine boy where they sing, now you they wait for. Hey, women, eh? Hey.
Have you gone mad? What's wrong with you?
Hey! Come on, get out of here. All of you are the same thing. Women has come.
I ain't answer. Only came out on I ain't answer. I ain't answer. Only came out on I ain't answer. You got one way, but I'm also. What for? Only came out on I ain't answer. I ain't answer. Only came out on I ain't answer. Freedom, Gumbo, we the worry them. Excuse me, Illy. We the worry them.